Hello everyone, I'm Johnson. Today, let's learn how to create an action sheet. An action sheet is a user interface component commonly used in mobile applications to present a set of actions or options to the user. It typically appears as a modal or popover dialog that slides up from the bottom of the screen, overlaying the current content. The purpose of an action sheet is to provide the user with a contextual menu of actions that are relevant to the current screen or task. An action sheet is typically composed of the following elements. Title. The action sheet may include a title at the top to provide a brief description or context for the available actions. Action buttons. The main component of an action sheet is a set of buttons or links representing different actions or options. Icons or images. Action buttons may be accompanied by icons or images to provide visual cues or enhance the clarity of the action. Cancel button. At the bottom of the action sheet, there is often a cancel button. This button allows the user to dismiss the action sheet without selecting any of the presented options. Optional description or additional information. Depending on the specific use case, an action sheet may include additional information or descriptions related to the actions or options presented. Let's now create the prototype for the action sheet. First, drag and drop a button as the trigger button. Enter Open as the button label. Then, drag and drop a dynamic panel to create the action sheet. Drag and drop a rectangle to create the background of the action buttons. Then, drag and drop another rectangle to create the title bar. Enter Actions as the title and customize its style. Remove the background fill and set the corner radius to 12. Next, drag and drop a rectangle, enter Delete as the button label. Adjust the text color to red. Duplicate the button. Change the text color to blue, and enter Share as the label. Adjust the height and corner radius of the buttons. Duplicate another button, change the label to Cancel. Adjust the visibility of the corner radius and border. Adjust the height of the dynamic panel and move it to the bottom of the screen. Name it Action Sheet. Now, let's set up the interactions. Select the Open button and add a click interaction. Show the dynamic panel with a 200 milliseconds slide-up linear animation. Choose Treat as Lightbox in the Interaction settings. Then, add a click interaction to each button to hide the dynamic panel with a 200 milliseconds slide down animation. Set the dynamic panel to be hidden initially. Finally, let's adjust the style of the buttons. Change the corner radius of the background rectangles of the buttons to 12. Preview the prototype. When you click the Open button, the action sheet will slide up from the bottom with a scrim. Clicking any button will slide down the action sheet and hide it. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.